Hello everyone and welcome to today's webinar as we're going to be comparing the top two customer relationship management solutions or CRM on the market today, Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics CRM. My name is Andy Cluck and I'm on the marketing team here at Ledgeview Partners. We're a Salesforce Silver consulting partner and a Microsoft Dynamics CRM Gold partner. Ledgeview Partners helps businesses transform their approach to sales, marketing, and customer service by aligning these teams to focus on improving their customers' experience and providing management with metrics through technology to evaluate success. Today, we dig in and evaluate Salesforce and Dynamics CRM across multiple comparison points. It's going to have a focus on sales that include navigation, dashboards, pipeline management, sales process, and account management, mobile, and portals. Then to finish it out, we're going to be talking about what makes each solution unique beyond sales for marketing, customer and field service, community, social, third-party add-on solutions, and more. So before I turn things over to our presenter today, I do want to mention that today's webinar is being recorded and it's going to be available on demand after the live session. All attendees who registered are going to receive an email immediately following this webinar, and that's going to have a link to access the presentation on demand. We encourage you to share this with your team and your network as well. To ensure the best audio quality, we do have everyone on listen-only mode, but if you do have a question, please submit those in your question pane of your GoToWebinar control panel. We do have people monitoring those, and they'll get you an answer. If they can't answer, we have a lot to cover today, but we promise to follow up after the webinar to answer any of those questions that you're going to submit. All right, I've eaten up enough time. Now time to introduce our presenter today, Jolinda Precott. Jolinda has presented on both Salesforce and Dynamics CRM at our CRM conference, CCB Tech Showcase, and several other events as well. Jolinda, we greatly appreciate you joining us today as we look at these two great CRM tools. It's all yours.
Great. Thank you, Andy. All right, so let's get ourselves started. With the time we have today, I'll only be able to touch on each of these products with the primary intention of giving you an idea of how each application looks and feels, and how many of the same capabilities are available in each of these products. Salesforce was born in the cloud and has been a cloud leader for many years. They continue to grow and innovate at a rapid pace and are now the fourth largest enterprise software company in the world. As you can see, they are recognized as a cloud and application leader in many areas by companies such as Gartner and IDC. Microsoft Dynamics CRM began in the on-premise world and moved into the cloud several years ago. Microsoft is also recognized by leading analysts such as Gartner and Forrester and has experienced rapid growth in their CRM online business. What differentiates Microsoft is that CRM is obviously not all that they do. They are taking their broad cloud strategies and integrating their product suites together. This shows the many areas that Microsoft is recognized as a technology leader. Okay, so let's get into the product reviews. I'll be starting each section first in Salesforce and then repeating a very similar scenario in Dynamics CRM. Once again, there isn't enough time to cover detailed functionality, but rather do an overview of each area. 2 years ago, I did this presentation, and I am amazed at how much these products have changed, and I really enjoyed being able to put together this updated version of both Salesforce and Dynamics CRM. So we're going to begin with navigation. The presentation I'm doing today will be showing the new Lightning experience from Salesforce, which was just recently released last year. You'll notice as I move from the browser to the mobile platform that the experience is the same. Any changes made to the forms are immediately available across all devices. When you first open Salesforce, you are taken to your home page. This is a great starting point for tracking performance. Using the new assistant to notify you if there is inactivity that needs your attention. You can also use the global search to quickly find what you're looking for. To navigate to specific areas of Salesforce, you can expand the left side pane, the menu area, and select the specific entity you're interested in to be presented with a detailed list view. Let's take a closer look at the other data available from Home. Insights, which you see at the top of the form, provides you with updates on key accounts you're following. Upcoming events and tasks show you your current activities, and recent records and top deals are quick ways to access the things you work on most. From within the new assistant, I can hover over a specific opportunity to be presented with the key information. From there, I could actually drill into the opportunity record. The assistant contains alerts on opportunities. For example, things that need attention or have been in a specific sales stage for too long without any activity. To navigate to other key Salesforce cloud solutions, you use the top line navigation. And the plus sign is a quick and easy way anywhere within Salesforce to add new activities. Let's move into an overview of dynamic CRM navigation. The presentation I'm doing today will be showing the spring release of dynamic CRM online. While the experience between the browser and the mobile platform is slightly different, dynamic CRM is built on a single platform. That means any changes made to the forms are immediately available across all devices. When you first open Dynamic CRM, you are taken to your home page. Within your options, you can actually specify whether or not you want a dashboard as your home page, or maybe a very specific list view area of the system. Each user's home page can be different. So I could have a management dashboard, but a sales rep may have a daily salesperson's dashboard to provide access to the things they need most often. The navigation within Dynamics is from the top down. Hovering over a specific area, such as sales, presents all the other areas I can navigate to. Using the top line navigation, I can also quickly add any type of record using the plus sign, which will prompt me with a quick create feature to rapidly get information into the system. Dynamic CRM also offers a global search feature. To navigate to other Dynamic CRM modules, you also access the top line navigation. So that was a quick introduction into the navigation, and now we're going to move next into dashboards, starting with Salesforce. From your home page, you will navigate to the dashboard area by clicking on the icon or expanding that menu and then selecting dashboards. Here you are presented with a list of current dashboards you have access to, as well as the ability to create new dashboards. Within Salesforce, you have basically an unlimited number of charts that you can add into a dashboard, as you can see from the designer. The gray boxes behind the designer here basically show you all the different areas you could add components. The wizard will walk you through the process of inserting the necessary charts and reports as you're walking through and creating your dashboard. Here's a look at a sales manager dashboard. I can hover over an area of any chart and be presented with the details of the information in that particular component of the chart. You can see that you have a variety of chart options available for presenting the data as well. As I roll down through this dashboard, I can see the many different charts I can have available. Clicking into any of the charts enables me to open up the report that makes up the data being presented. Here's an example of the report information behind the closed won chart that I drilled into from my dashboard. From here I can do a variety of things. I can export this data out to Excel. I could actually clone this report or make changes to it as well. But most of the time, people want to filter further into these reports. You can select the fields in the report to further filter on. From the report, you can also drill directly into any record. We'll explore the opportunity as our next topic. So for now, I'm just showing you the ability to drill into this opportunity from the baseline report we were just looking at. So let's transition next to the dynamic CRM dashboards. You can get to the dashboards within Dynamic CRM either from your home page or from the top line navigation. From a dashboard, you can see all the other dashboards a specific user has access to see. From here, you can also create new dashboards. This presents to you the wizard tool for creating a new dashboard with up to 6 sections. That is a limitation that Dynamic CRM has at this point. But within each section, you can select a chart or a list view component or a web part that you would like to add into the chart or into the dashboard. The dashboards in Dynamics are based on real-time data, not reports. So within the chart components, you can actively filter the charts further. And within the list views, you can use the search capabilities to further filter a list view. From a chart, you can also expand the chart to see the detailed data. I've expanded the All Opportunities chart and am presented with the live data in a list view. The filter feature turns on columns for further filtering of data, and this looks an awful lot like an Excel macro as you're working through this filtering feature. The chart pane on the right side can also be changed by selecting any of the charts that apply to the data being presented. If you wanted to create new charts, you could actually do that using a wizard tool that's available at any time when I'm accessing additional charts as well. Dynamics also enables the ability to export data to Excel in a variety of ways. The most recent change to Dynamic CRM allows you to update CRM data using Excel online. The list is opened up within CRM directly, enabling the user to make changes. Once they save the changes to CRM, an import job is run that validates all of the data and the data rules and only brings in accurate information. So if you incorrectly put some value in that didn't pass the data rules, it would not succeed on the import when that import job was run. Like Salesforce, you can open a record directly from the list data you accessed from a dashboard chart. All right, so again, quick review of all of these areas. The next area is the sales pipeline and sales process. We'll also take a look at the general account management as part of this overview as well. So beginning with Salesforce, we're going to start with a list of our opportunity pipeline, which I've accessed from the left side navigation. Salesforce provides a number of options from a list view. The first is the chart presented on the right side. The chart also provides a summary below of the values in each segment being presented in that chart. You can also change the chart with the drop-down arrow to any other chart that's available for this view of information. A very nice new feature is something called the Kanban Opportunity View. This view allows you to drag and drop opportunities from one stage to the next, making it much easier for the sales rep to maintain their pipeline. The top blue area shows you the overall value of the opportunities within each stage. If I drag the Acme 1100 widgets opportunity to the next stage, you'll see the changes. The totals instantly update for both stage 1 and 2 to reflect the move of that opportunity. The next refresh of this page would also update the chart data on the right-hand side. I don't know about you, but that is a very cool feature. And hopefully salespeople will really appreciate the ability to have a more fluid experience in updating their pipeline. Finally, I can also further filter the opportunities to drill into specific information. Once I select an opportunity from this view, I'm presented with the full record. Within the opportunity, I have a detailed sales process to further guide the salesperson on where they are and what steps need to be completed. I can also go back to view the information captured in a previous stage. So here I'm showing the previous stage information, but I can also see the information I need to capture, or that I did capture during the qualification stage, and continue to look down on the opportunity, managing my activities. So managing activities is made easy where I can record tasks, calls, and emails, while also seeing the past activity history. From within the opportunity, I can create and send an email. Account Insights can find any current updates on this company. And oftentimes, I want to quickly access an account for more information. From the opportunity, I can open up the Acme account record. The account record shows related information first. This includes account insights, something we also were looking at on the opportunity, and lists of opportunities and contacts for quick access. I'm also able to add new opportunities and contacts from within those list views. The right side contains all of the past activity information, but also shows any next steps and their due dates from the opportunities on this account. It also has an area to quickly log a new activity. The Collaborate tab in the chat is the chatter feed that is prevalent throughout Salesforce. Chatter enables teams to communicate about any record within the system. And you'll see later that I also am able to tie this into the mobile app as well. The Details tab on the account provides a deeper look into the overall relationship with this customer. The account summary enables you to have charts within the account record to quickly see the open and closed business that you've done. You can also have multiple addresses for an account and have those addresses linked into the Google Maps feature for better planning and insight. Let's jump into the dynamic CRM pipeline and sales process next. We're going to start with a list of our opportunity pipeline, which I've accessed from my dashboard or top-line navigation. Using the chart functionality, I can see the value of each stage in my sales process. We talked earlier about how you can filter this data further and also change the chart view to show the same data in a different format. From this list, we can also drill into a specific opportunity. Dynamic CRM uses a sales process to visualize what stage an opportunity is in and what steps have been completed or still need to be completed within that stage. You also have the ability to have multiple sales processes. If I select the switch process, I am presented with the options that I have available to me. Many times the sales process may differ for current customers versus prospects, or maybe from one product line division to another. This business process flow feature within the sales process enables companies to have a very refined list of processes that pertain to the opportunities a person is working on. From within the opportunity, we have quick access to completed and open activities, and also a quick way of adding new activities and emails. Additional information on the opportunity helps the sales team track who else is involved in this opportunity. Who are the main stakeholders? Are there any competitors also bidding for this work? And what is the latest news on this company? I'll talk about this feature further when I get to the account form. From the opportunity, I can go directly to the PowerShack account. The account form first shows the summary information on the left side, on the left, and activity and other collaboration information in the center. The secondary information is on the right side for a quick glance at this account. There is also an integration with Bing Maps based on the account's address. Insights is a great tool included within Dynamics CRM for getting information, getting up-to-date information on a company, including latest news and insights into people that work for that company using a link to the LinkedIn application. You can also get research information on industries and trends within an industry to better prepare for a discussion with your customers. Dynamics CRM is fully integrated with Office 365, including SharePoint and OneNote. Here is an example of the integration with OneNote, showing the various notes that have already been created by both the sales and support teams for this account. And by clicking on those notes, it will open the OneNote application where all the collaboration can take place and be shared across teams. Dynamics CRM has a couple of different options for collaboration. The Posts area is standard on any record within Dynamics CRM. If you have Office 365 and Yammer, you can also connect Yammer with Dynamics CRM. Now let's move over to the iPad and take a look at Salesforce One. The Salesforce One application is downloadable from the app stores. I'm showing a presentation on my iPad, so I downloaded the application for both Salesforce and Dynamics CRM from the iTunes. When I first open the Salesforce One application, I'm taken to the feed area. This shows all chatter communication. As you can see here, I shared an update earlier regarding a chart on the dashboard we looked at in the presentation earlier. At the bottom of the screen, I also have additional options. Those additional options allow you a quick way to get to new records within Salesforce, or to create new records within Salesforce. To navigate to other areas of Salesforce, I expand the menu icon. This shows me all the other areas I can access from a mobile device. One very nice feature is called Today. Today pulls information from Outlook or whatever email platform you're using and Salesforce to present a variety of information related to activities you have scheduled today. It also provides account insights based on the companies that you are following. The next area we're going to explore are the Salesforce dashboards from the iPad. We're going to take a closer look at the Sales Manager dashboard. You can see again the wide variety of information available on the dashboards. From any of the charts, you can drill into the information to see the details behind the chart. Once I drill into the chart, the experience is the same as I had when I was on my browser, with the chart information on the right and a full list of the opportunities also displayed. I can also share an update about this report and chart via chatter. So again, Chatter is incorporated within the Salesforce One platform to enable that collaboration within internal teams. I've selected the same Acme 1100 opportunity that we looked at earlier and see that the sales process is presented, enabling me to make any changes necessary and move the opportunity to the next stage. Under the related items for the opportunity, I get a quick list of how many records I have in each area. And from here, I can drill into each of those areas to see the detailed records or add new records as well. From the opportunity, I'm able to get directly to the Acme account. This form starts by presenting the same details as we were looking at earlier in the browser, including that account summary chart. Under the related information, I have access to the account insights and all other related records associated to the Acme account, similar to what we just saw for the opportunity. Now let's take a look at the Dynamic CRM application for the iPad. When I first open Dynamic CRM, I'm presented with my home page, which is my default dashboard. On the mobile devices, Dynamic CRM is presenting the exact same information as in the browser, but in a format that is optimized for the mobile device. In the case of the iPad, I will navigate by swiping from right to left for more information. From any chart on my dashboard, I can drill into the detailed information. In this case, I'm looking at all the opportunities in just a portion of the sales funnel. The ellipses at the bottom provides more options for me. Now I'm able to select another chart to look at this different data in a different format. Or I could change the view to look at a different subset of opportunity information. So it's a very interactive experience to change both charts and views from the mobile device. Returning back to my dashboard and using the ellipses found at the bottom of the window enables me to add new records as well. To navigate to other areas of Dynamic CRM, I expand the menu icon. This shows me all the other areas I can access from a mobile device. To see all of my activities for today, I'm going to select activities from the menu. I could also drill into activities from the dashboard. The activity view shows me all the tasks, phone calls, and appointments that have been synchronized between Dynamic CRM and Outlook. Going into the proposal review activity, I'm able to update this information and go directly to the video equipment opportunity. From the opportunity form, I can immediately see where this opportunity is in the sales process, a summary of the opportunity value, which stage it's in, and the status of the steps for that stage. Sliding from right to left, I get access to more information. Here I can mark steps in my stage as complete and move to the next step or move to the next stage. I can also add or complete activities. Any place where I see a plus sign, I can add, it basically is telling me it's an area where I can add additional records. And from the opportunity, I can access the PowerShack account information directly. Again, sliding from right to left, I access various information about the account and can create new records any place where I see a plus sign. Moving from right to left, I can see that my OneNotes can also be accessed and updated from within the mobile device using OneNote Online. Well, that was a quick peek at Salesforce One and Dynamic CRM apps from the iPad. Next, we're going to transition into the portal capabilities of each product. Starting with Salesforce. Portals in Salesforce are available through their Community Cloud. Within the Community Cloud, you can create customer, partner, and employee portals. These communities are very collaborative portals that also include Chatter, which enables internal and external parties to share information. To give you a quick look at how communities look and feel, I'm going to show a quick 2-minute video of how to expose you to what is possible.
The Salesforce One Community Cloud lets you directly connect with customers, increase partner success, and drive employee productivity like never before. Since it's built on the Salesforce One platform, multiple communities can be easily created and accessed for specific needs, and customized to represent any brand. You can personalize each customer's experience to their specific interests, so customers can search the community to find information quickly and ask the community to get the answers they need. While service reps spend their time tackling the toughest cases. Now, channel partners can close the deal faster by easily accessing experts and managing leads right within the community. Marketing teams can collaborate with agencies to streamline their campaign creation and gather feedback from potential customers. Manufacturers are able to manage distribution by monitoring in-store promotions and placements, even responding to risks in the supply chain with help from the supplier community. Doctors can share their expertise, helping patients get the very best care, and patients are able to access the community from anywhere. And your employees can increase productivity by sharing insights and files instantly. The Community Cloud's social intelligence automatically creates topics, so users can instantly access discussions, files, and experts for the topics they care about, and endorse each other for important contributions. Community managers have the ability to create custom badges to incentivize and reward members for their participation. And built-in dashboards help measure community success. Create a community of action with the Community Cloud from Salesforce.
Alrighty, so I thought that was the best way to give you kind of an introduction to what is possible with the Communities Cloud.
Partner community
Excuse me.
Your channel to your company in real time, so partners have direct access to sales records to close deals faster from anywhere.
Let's stop that.
Now,
All right, my apologies. All right, so the next place we're going to go is into the Dynamics portals. Portals in Dynamics CRM are available through their ADX Studio, which was purchased by Microsoft last year. ADX Studio offers a platform for creating not only customer, partner, and employee portals, but basically anything that you want. Using the ADX platform, you can create very custom content that not only uses the standard CRM entities, but also enables you to create your own custom entities. The portal also provides a community concept for two-way communication, as well as e-commerce capabilities. To give you a quick look at a portal, I'm going to show a quick 1 to 2 minute video of a city that is using ADX with Dynamic CRM to manage their constituent requests.
Hillsborough County's Customer Service Center makes submitting a service request quick and simple, directly notifying the responsible service team. You can remain anonymous, or you can create a user account to make tracking the progress of your service request virtually effortless. Simply click on the appropriate service tab, and then select from a list of common requests, or provide a description of any concern that is not listed. Enter the reported address manually, or enable locations on your browser to allow us to pinpoint the request. Including specific details and pictures helps guide service providers in fulfilling your request. Creating an account and logging in with your username gives you the ability to track the progress of all your requests to completion. Hillsborough County's customer service requests are just that simple. We're at your service 24/7.
All right. So, again, I just wanted to give you a quick view at what is possible, because these portals and communities are very robust in what they have to offer, and really your imagination is your limit and what you can do with these. That wraps up the demo portion of this presentation. I'm going to wrap up by calling out some additional capabilities that each product offers in addition to what we looked at today. My Salesforce demo today was solely based on the Sales Cloud, but Salesforce has a number of other cloud solutions available, including Service Marketing and the Analytics Cloud. The Service Cloud provides a robust customer experience, enabling your customer service reps to engage real-time with customers. The Marketing Cloud provides marketing automation tools to do email marketing, event management, and lead scoring. And the Analytics Cloud provides a sophisticated platform for pulling data together from multiple sources. They also have a robust application exchange, or app exchange, as you may know it as, with thousands of applications that have been developed by partners and customers to share via this exchange. It is a true differentiator within the Salesforce community. The Salesforce partnership with Microsoft is rapidly expanding the integration between Salesforce and Office 365 to offer many of the same capabilities available within Dynamics CRM. And this year, Salesforce announced the availability of new functionality for a field service solution. If you're a nonprofit, then you should be aware of the salesforce.org. This organization offers special features and pricing specifically for nonprofits, and it's part of the giving philosophy that Salesforce has. For Dynamics CRM, today I showed the functionality in the sales module, but Dynamics CRM also comes with a service and marketing module in the core product. In fact, over the past year or so, the service areas where Microsoft has made its biggest investment by expanding out the standard service module to offer more interactive and robust customer experiences. Microsoft has also made a strategic acquisition in the past year, including Field One, which is now called Field Service. This is a very robust work order management and field management solution that's also available on mobile devices. Microsoft just released a new project service module to manage projects after you win the customer's business. We've already talked about the integration with Office 365 using things like SharePoint and OneNote. Another Office 365 component is Power BI, which extends the analytics capabilities of Dynamics CRM and allows you to pull data from other external systems to report on in conjunction with Dynamics CRM. So that concludes the presentation for today. My goal was to present a very objective, high-level overview of both products, and I hope I've been successful at that. I did want to offer you a quick reminder to join us for our marketing webinar tomorrow, 6 Tips for Increasing and Managing Leads, which is at tomorrow at 11:30 Central Time. Registration and information for that will be on the on-demand on-demand email that you'll be receiving shortly after this presentation. Thank you for your time, and please contact Ledgeview Partners to learn more about these 2 market-leading products. That concludes the presentation. Thank you.